Welcome to ESC Speaking and Conversation, your channel,
where you learn English and improve your speaking.
30-Day English Fluency Challenge. Day 11. Use English fillers naturally. Want to sound more like a real English speaker? Today's lesson will help you do exactly that. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our 30-Day English Fluency Challenge. This is day 11, and today we're learning a small, but powerful secret of natural English conversation, fillers. Have you ever listened to native speakers and noticed they often say things like, actually, you know, I mean, well, honestly? These words may seem unimportant, but they play a very important role in real conversations. They help speakers think, connect ideas, and sound more natural. Today, you'll learn how to use English fillers correctly and confidently. Let's begin. What are fillers? Fillers are words or short expressions that speakers use while talking. They help conversations flow smoothly. Without fillers, speech can sound too direct or unnatural. For example, imagine someone asks, "What do you think about online learning?" You could answer, "Online learning is useful." That's correct English. But many native speakers might say, "Well, I think online learning is really useful." Notice how "well" makes the answer sound more natural. The meaning of actually. One of the most common fillers is actually. Native speakers use it to introduce surprising information, correct something, or add emphasis. For example, "Do you like coffee?" "Actually, I prefer tea." Another example, "I thought the movie was boring." "Actually, I enjoyed it." Let's practice. Repeat after me. "Actually, I like that idea." "Actually, I've never been there." "Actually, that's true." Excellent. The meaning of you know. Another common filler is you know. It helps create a connection with the listener. For example, "It's difficult sometimes, you know, when you're learning a new language." Or, "I was really nervous, you know, before the interview." Notice that you know doesn't add important information. Instead, it makes the conversation sound friendly and natural. Let's practice. Repeat after me. "It's exciting, you know." "I was tired, you know." "It's not easy, you know." Great job. The meaning of I mean. I mean is another useful filler. Speakers often use it when they want to clarify or explain something. For example, "The restaurant was good." "I mean, the food was amazing." Or, "I enjoy studying English." I mean, it helps me communicate with people from different countries. Let's practice. "I mean, that's a great idea." "I mean, we should try it." "I mean, it's worth learning." Very good. The meaning of well. Well is one of the most common conversation starters. People often use it when they need a moment to think before answering. Question: What did you do last weekend? Answer: Well, I visited my family and watched a movie. Question: Do you enjoy public speaking? Answer: Well, sometimes I do, but sometimes I get nervous. Using well helps your answer sound smoother and more natural. Common mistakes. Some learners hear native speakers using fillers and then use them too much. For example, "Well, actually, you know, I mean, well, actually." That sounds unnatural. Fillers should help communication, not distract from it. Use them occasionally, just as native speakers do. Practice challenge. Let's make some natural answers together. Question: What's your favorite hobby? Natural answer: Well, I enjoy reading. Actually, I read almost every day. Question. Why are you learning English? Natural answer. I mean, English is important for communication. You know, it opens many opportunities. Question. Do you like traveling? Natural answer. Actually, I love traveling. It's exciting, you know, to experience different cultures. Can you hear how these fillers make the answers sound more conversational? That's exactly how many native speakers communicate. Today's fluency challenge. Choose 3 fillers. Actually. You know. I mean. Well. Then answer 3 questions about yourself. Try to include at least 1 filler in each answer. Record yourself if possible. Listen again, and notice how much more natural you sound. Remember, fluency is not only about grammar and vocabulary. It's also about sounding comfortable and relaxed in conversation. And fillers can help you do exactly that. Complete today's challenge and comment, Day 11 completed. I'll see you in Day 12 of our English Fluency Challenge.